I need your help making a decision. I made a bad choice when I put up this hexagon accent ceiling, and today I'm gonna fix it. Hi, I'm Michaela. I do weird, colorful stuff to my house, but let's back up a quick sec. I had this idea to do a ceiling treatment in the hallway nook and thought hexagons, the bestigons, would be fun. I made a little jig to cut them myself from some free wood I got on the side of the road. I wasn't 100% sure I'd love it, so I used poster putty to put them up. It held for about 6 months before they started randomly falling down. Turns out I do love it. Note to future me, just trust your vision. So I took down any that hadn't fallen yet and cleaned up the poster putty. Here comes my hero. To restick them back up, I'm using Gorilla Heavy Duty Mounting Tape. It holds 1 pound for 2 inches. Though these hexagons are only 1/8 of an inch thick and weigh practically nothing. Ceiling, gravity, you get the picture. I used a laser to start and a hex spacer from another project to be as consistent as possible. Cut, peel, apply some pressure. It couldn't be easier and went really fast. Now I don't have to fear a random hex falling on my head at night as I go to the bathroom. So the only question is, should I cover the whole ceiling in this nook, leave as is, or something in between? Let me know in the comments.